Hello everyone, this is the assignment 1 solution of the Joy of Computing using Python whose deadline is 7/2/2024. Please do like, share, comment and must subscribe for weekly solutions like this. Now the right answer to question number 1 is B, a named storage location that can hold varying data during program execution. Question number 2 it is C, loop. Question number 3 it is D, none of the above. Fourth, it is Python and Perl. Fifth, it is physics, mathematics, economics, small scale business. Then question number 6, it is option number C, it makes the cat tumble and rotate. Question number 7, option number C, 3. Eighth, it is TWO2. Ninth, it is option number A, ONE1. Question number 10th, it is option number A, the ball would not have returned to cat, and option number C, the ball would not have left its original position. Please do like, share, comment and must subscribe. Thank you.